The audio performance of the iPad Mini 2 is hugely impressive, even with the most basic of earbuds on offer. There are plenty of other reviews out there that seem to gloss over the fact that the iPad is as much a media-centric device as anything else, and no matter how many streaming services you subscribe to, the output is always going to be limited by the hardware. But what Apple has done, and to be honest, always managed to do, is bring refined audio output to a system that commands a premium price. Through a decent pair of headphones it's possible to capture all the nuance of high bitrate audio, and even stream to an external speaker via Bluetooth. Things don't sound as muddy and horrendous as they might on other devices. It's a much more compelling option as a portable music player because it has the same audio performance as the Air, yet is so much easier to sling in a bag or even a generous pocket. It also makes the interface feel a little less stretched out, thanks to there being less screen real estate to go around. On top of that, the lock screen has excellent integration for third-party apps, so the likes of Spotify feel as much a part of the iPad Mini 2 as its own music player. The refreshed Apple Music app, now with added streaming, looks much better than its predecessor on the iPad, with a nice blend of functional tools and cover art. The now playing screen takes color cues from the artwork of the song you're listening to, and while the playlist screen remains rather sparse, the music app that comes with the iPad Mini 2 now has the visual appeal to match its audio quality.